In this video, we are going to go over all of our text tool features. In the designer, let's select our text tool, which will bring up a new window with some default text options. Simply select an option and place it on the page to create an editable text box. By double-clicking the text inside, or by using the text edit mode feature in the quick menu, you can begin typing in your text. The quick menu has a few other options as well, such as selecting a new font to pick from, changing the size of your text, adjusting the alignment within the box, and depending on your font choice, you can add bold, italics, or an underline. Now, let's say I create a font style that I really like and want to keep using it throughout the book. All you need to do is head back into the quick menu and select Save Text Style. This will create a brand new preset in your text tool window. Another feature we have is text wrapping, which takes a shape from our shape tool and adjusts the text around it. Select a circle photo frame and place it down, then head over to the Frame Settings tab and find Wrap Text. If you see a yellow exclamation mark under your text, it's likely something is not showing fully in your text box. In this case, make sure there's no extra spaces or words being hidden, or expand the box until all your text is showing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to contact us for any questions and suggestions. See you next time.